Hi guys, good morning everyone. A blessed Sunday to you guys. Good morning. I'm now here at the Scalabrinian Fathers, or this is a formation center for those who want to be priest. And they have a program for the kids here. And Red is here also. There he is. This formation center, guys, it's just located inside here, the subdivision as well. They have a big place. I don't know how big is this place. And this is my first time coming inside here. They have an overlooking view also here because it's, well, you can't see here, but you have an overlooking view. Wow, I see pigs here, guys. There's still piglets. Kisa kita giyani, no? Kisa ninyo ta diri. Oh, ilahan ni, no? Ay, ilahan ni diri, no? Ay, kuan, oh. Wild boar. Is that a wild boar? I guess so. Nalagi na ka na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Na, 5 kabuok. Na. Hala. Or look for... Baboy ra na. Is that a wild boar? They can hardly be seen because they're black. Oh, look at that one. That one. Ano man simod oh. Here are the kids. Oh, short ba? Short spout. Ano man ang mga kuan. Oh, I see a brown piglet. Murag wild boar man siguro na. And then the man standing in white, he's a priest here. I guess this property belongs to this Scalabrinian.
Ahoy saron.
Ang naghilak, oh. There is someone crying. Duck, goose.
Hindi mo na ikat ang kanang kuante. Kanang imo na i-voice change.
There's... No, I guess they are not wild boars. They are just black pigs. Yan na sila kuan, baboy damo. Kasi sumot na sila dito. So these are not just for kids but also for adults. Hi Red! Hi Red! Red! Oh.
Buyo?
Ikaw na kasi lang. Hindi mo edad din. Hindi mo edad. Wala edad oh. Working ready.
Sam natin dance.
Sinang sirik. Hinay man kamong.
Think of us. Give us food. Help us. To be good.
To be good.
To be good.
To be good.
Amen.
Amen. So guys, I have here 2 pack lunches. And some t-shirt for Red. Red! Left and right, mali mo ice candy, uy.
Uy, asa si Kukoy ba? Kape.
Jumare, sana man mo dia Jumare. Ano man mo? Ah, puro pa puti. Uy,